Welcome to Windows Single User. For the duration of this course, we have been taught many things. We were expected to keep a blog that we shared our thoughts, our ideas, and our questions through a blog at least once or twice a week. And as you can see, we were definitely writing in our blog. Okay, and one of our first assignments was for us to create our own Windows Explorer tutorial, a written tutorial, and create a YouTube video of that tutorial. And let's see. You'll be able to see that I made a video.
This tutorial is to show the user the basics of using Windows Explorer. The best way to create a file is by using an application or program. The user would begin by to save future use or B to save the document by left-clicking on this. Now I'm going to show you how to remove a folder. See the document.
You can see I covered several different things on that. Okay. Alright, and I also did a written tutorial. In these tutorials we had to cover creating a folder, renaming a folder, deleting, copying, and moving folders, creating files, renaming files, deleting, copying, and moving files. We also covered file and folder options, where if you were to right-click on a folder, the options that show up in the dialog box. We went over all those different things. Okay, briefly go over user accounts, and you'll go to the bottom left corner, click on the flag icon, go to the right side of the start menu, left click on control panel, and left click on add or remove user accounts. Just going to briefly go over how to change your user account settings so that you can protect your computer. Left click on the username that you would like to make the changes to, and in this list you can see you can change the account name, change the password, remove the password, change the picture, set up parental controls, and change the account type to just like a basic account or administrative account. It will give you more access to make changes to the computer and for applications and files and things. And then you can choose to manage another account, and if you had more than one user listed, you could then choose one of the other users. Okay, another thing that we had to do was to go over the types of image file formats and create an image for each one of those. And we had to cover BMP, which is Windows Bitmap, GIF, which is Graphics Interchange Format, JPG, which is Joint Photographic Experts Group, and PNG, Portable Network Graphics. And let's see if I can pull that up in here. I may have saved that somewhere else. I did. Okay, this is the BMP file that I created. the JPEG I created. This is the PNG I created. And this is the GIF that I created. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to bring it up, show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's an animated GIF that I created. Okay. We also had to go over company policies in regards to internet usage. So we had to create our own company policies, and I did that in a PowerPoint. No, I did it in a as a YouTube video. I don't know where it went. Let's see. Okay, and this is how I did it.
Welcome to Dreamer Studios Internet Use and Security Policies.
That's my video, and I'm just going to pull up my PowerPoint and just briefly go over what I covered in that. Whenever social networking sites, these are different things that should not be allowed in a business setting. Personal emails, personal access like on the laptop, PDAs, handheld devices, downloading music, company information, making sure that it's confidential and not sharing that information with anyone else about company procedures or customer information. IM and chatting during work time, online shopping, pornography, and that pretty much covers all the important security issues. Okay, and the next thing we had to do was create a company memo going over the different browsers and what were their pros and cons, and basically go over what to look for in a browser. And as you can see on my desktop, I have Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, and Internet Explorer. I didn't have Opera, but basically the things you're going to look for in a browser is customization, the different things that you can do to customize your browser and your experience while you're browsing the net, which would include add-ons and extensions. How fast your browser loads a web page or its performance, amount of memory required to run the browser, and the best way to really decide would be to test each browser using the exact same web page and see which one feels the best. You want to make sure that you have the language compatibility that is needed and free customer support in case you need help. And the most important thing, do you enjoy using the browser? Basically, I'm going to go over quickly what is Internet Explorer. It's an all-purpose browser for Windows and Mac. Firefox can be customized, has thousands of third-party add-ons to add functionality. It's a cross-platform browser, works with both systems, supports Linux, and in 2009 it was the most widely used web browser.